The remnants of a colonial cocoa plantation can still be seen, with old buildings and the iconic cocoa dryers scattered throughout the area. The village's name, meaning water of the island, reflects its importance as a water source for the surrounding plantations. Today, Agua is a quiet place where visitors can step back in time and learn about the island's colonial past. It offers a fascinating mix of history, agriculture, and natural beauty, providing insight into SAO TOMÉ's agricultural legacy.